Okay, so Mina, so today we are going to learn that how how two sprites can talk with each other, but that's not like the story one. It's a bit different. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So first of all, I'm going to do that I'm going to choose some more sprites. Okay, I can take a beer and I can take any other thing. Okay, I can. What should I choose? Okay, I can take a crab. Should I take a crab? Crab. Okay, Mina, are you there? Mina, we are going to learn in today's class that what is broadcasting. Okay,
Okay.
so you can say that do you have seen the WhatsApp group? In a WhatsApp group, let's take an example of a WhatsApp group. In WhatsApp group, what is happening that many participants are in one group, and when one participant sends a message, so all of the other participants receive that message. Are you understanding?
Yes.
In a WhatsApp group, what happens that if, for example, when I share the homework in the WhatsApp group, you and Mina receive that homework. So I don't have to send it to separately. Okay, now and today we are going to learn just like that. The broadcasting is just like that. Okay, Mina,
Yes.
do you have any confusion yet?
You just want me to have a confusion?
Okay, so what we have done here that we have added two more sprites. Okay, a crab and a bear. Okay, so first of all, I want that when I click on the green flag, this cat should send message to both of the other sprites, which is crab and bear. That when I click on the green flag, this cat should send a message to both of them. Okay, so how we can do that? We will go in the events. Okay, we will go in the events and then we will first of all we will take when green flag clicked. Okay,
Okay.
and then you can see that there is a okay, just wait a minute, I'm going back.
This is weird.
First of all, what we have to do that we have to pick a green flag that when green flag played. Okay, and then you can see that here is in the events there is a broadcast message block. Okay,
Okay.
you are going to use that broadcast message. Okay, and when you click, we will first of all check that what it's happening. It is saying that when you click broadcast message one. Okay,
Okay.
and now what you have to do that we can click on this message one and we can click on the new message. Okay, and we can write it here. What should this cat say to the other sprite? Tell me.
We should say, how are you? Yeah.
Okay, we can say that how are you? Okay. So now what the code is that when green flag click broadcast message broadcast how are you? So when I will be clicking on the screen flag, this sprite cat is saying to them that how are you, but it will be not showing. Okay.
Okay.
So now what, how can they reply? We will go on the, first of all, we will go on the bear. Okay. And then you can see that there is an event when I receive,
Yes.
okay, there's an event that when I receive, how are you? And then we'll go on the looks and we will say hello. Fine. Okay. We can write that fine. Okay. So when we will click on the screen flag, it is saying fine. Okay.
Which block is above the say block? I can't see it.
Okay. It is the events. We have to just do it all in the events. We have here
Okay,
events
okay,
when I receive, how are you? Okay.
okay,
Broadcast, how are you? Broadcast, how are you? And wait. Okay. So
okay.
when we will click on the screen flag, what is happening? That this cat is sending them the messages and they are replying to them. Okay. Okay, Mina, do you have any confusion till yet?
No.
Okay, so now we can do that in the crab also. Okay, so now we will go on the crab and which event we will use?
When I receive, how are you?
Yes, when I receive, how are you? Then what should the crab say?
Fine too.
Okay, the crab will say fine too. Okay, so when we will click on the screen flag, they are all saying, bear is saying fine and the cat is saying, crab is saying fine too. Okay. Do you have any confusion till yet, Sakina and Mina?
No.
Okay, Sakina, do you have any confusion or question till yet? Sakina,
Yes.
do you have any confusion or question till yet?
No.
Okay, so now uh, the concept of the broadcasting message is clear to you both.
Yes.
Okay, so now what we are going to do that we are going to, okay, we can put them here. Okay, and now we can add a backdrop. Which backdrop should I choose, Sakina? Can you guide me?
Mm, the bedroom.
Bedroom?
Yes.
Okay, we can. No, I think so. The bedroom is not so good. It's too.
Okay.
Mina, can you tell me that which backdrop should we choose?
We should choose the. Can we choose the forest?
Forest. Which forest? This? Okay, we can do that. Okay, now it's good. We can do the forest. Okay, so now what we have that we have here three sprites total. Okay, and now
Okay.
we are going to delete all the coding in these sprites. Okay, because we are going to code a new one. Okay,
Okay.
so now we have our three sprites here. Now I want, Amina, I want that when we should have here three, but we should have here uh three buttons. Okay, we should have here three buttons, and when each of the button is clicked, so these sprites should say anything. So where should I go first?
We will go on choose a sprite.
Okay, then
And we will yeah, here we will get the button 2, button 3, or button 1, or button 4, 5, 6.
okay, we can take button one. Okay, we can duplicate it. Okay, so now what we have that we have here three buttons. Okay, we can go in its costumes. Okay, and we can add a text that, first of all, we can write crab. Okay, we can change the text color by here. Okay, okay, we can write crab,
Okay.
and then in the next button, we can write bear. Okay,
Okay.
and in the third button, we have to write the cat. Cat. Okay, so do you have any confusion till here, you both?
Nope.
No.
Okay, so now, uh, okay, so now Sakina, can you help me? I want that when I click on this trap, it should broadcast message, and when this trap receive that message, it should say, "Hi, I am Crab," or it should say any other name. So how we can do that?
Mm, I don't know.
Okay, Mina, can you tell me? I want that when I click on this button, it should broadcast a message.
Okay. We will go on the events.
Okay, we will go in the events.
We will get the one the sprite clicked.
Okay, when this sprite click, then
Then when the sprite
which block should we use?
broadcast.
Okay, we will use broadcast message one. Okay, and then we will go and on this drop down, and when we will click on this new message, we can write it here. Okay, we can write it.
What is your
Uh,
name?
okay, we can write what is your name? Okay,
Okay.
and then we will go in the grab. Okay, and then we can say that when I receive what is your name, and we will go in the looks and we will write. Okay, so what should its name?
Crap. Just
Just grab. Okay, my name is Crab. Okay, so when we will click on this crab, our crab will say my name is Crab. Okay,
okay.
do you have any confusion till here, Sakina and Mina?
Now
No.
Okay, so now we have to do the same in the other. We will go on this pair button. Okay, and what should we do, Sakina?
When the sprite click,
Okay, when this sprite click,
when I receive message,
no, I want that when we click on this bear button, it should broadcast a new message.
oh, broadcast.
Okay, we will go on the broadcast. And now what can we do that? Uh,
What do you want the bear to say?
yes, what should it broadcast when we click on the pair button? What should it say? Okay, we can say that where do you live? Okay,
okay.
and we will go in the beer and we will click on the when I receive where do you live, and we will go in the looks and we will say that where a bear lives. Mina, tell me. I live in
China.
I live in China.
Yeah.
Okay, I live in China. Okay, so when we will click on this grab will say my name is Grab. When we will click on the peer, it will say I live in China. And now the third one, the cat. Okay, we will go in the events and we will do that when this sprite click broadcast. Now what should it ask? What do you eat?
Yeah.
Okay, we can write here. What do you eat? Okay. So now we will, okay. Now we will go in the cat and we will, which block should we use?
When I receive what do you eat,
Okay, when I receive what do you eat, then what should it say?
it should say I eat meat.
Okay, I eat meat. Okay, now when we will click on this crab, the crab will say, my name is Crab. When we will click on this bear, it will say, I live in China. And when we click on this cat button, it will say, I eat meat. Okay,
Okay.
so do you both have any questions or confusion till here?
No.
Okay, so now I just explained you before that the broadcast clock is used
Can
to
I?
to sending for example to sending a WhatsApp message,
Yes.
to send a WhatsApp message to all. Okay, it was just like that. So now we can do that. Okay, so now when we are clicking on this grab, what this grab button is broadcasting that what is your name. Okay, so when I click on this grab button, it is saying it is broadcasting what is your name. So what we can do that, because when we click on this grab button, these all sprites will be receiving this message that what is your name. Okay,
Can you click on the green flag again? On the button, I mean on the button, on the crab button.
yes,
The,
yes, Sakina, what were you saying?
I was saying, can you click on the crab button again?
Okay, so when you will click on this grab button, when this sprite click, it is broadcasting what is your name. Okay, just know that these all are in a one WhatsApp group. Okay, and when we click on this grab, it will send the message what is your name to all other sprites. Okay, okay, so what we can do,
But he's saying my name is crab instead of my name.
yes, it is saying my name is Crab because we have code that when I receive what is your name, say my name is Crab. So we can do that, we can put more events in the pair that when I receive what is your name, it will say that my name is what should its name.
Crab?
No,
Bear,
we are
bear.
in the
Oh,
bear.
bear.
My name is Bear.
Bear.
Okay.
Mr.
So
Bear.
okay. So now when we click on this crab, it will they will all say that their names. Okay. We can just edit this crab to the name. We can write here the name so that when we click on this name button, all these sprites will say their name. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now when we click on this name button, all the sprites will say their name. The crab is saying that my name is Crab, bear is saying my name is Bear, and the cat will say that when I receive what is your name, what will it say? It will say my name is Tom. We can say that my name is Tom. Okay. So now when
Okay.
we click on this name button, the all sprites will receive that what is your name. And what are they replying? They are replying that what is their name. They are saying my name is Crab, my name is Bear, my name is Tom. Okay.
Okay.
So do you both have any confusion till yet?
No.
Okay, because it's just too simple. Okay, so now what we can do that in the beer, what have we got here that when the sprite will broadcast where do you live? So we can go in the costumes, we can delete this beer one and we can write here the habitat.
Yes.
Okay, we can write here the habitat, which means that where they live. Okay, we can write here the habitat. So now when we will click on this habitat button, these all sprite will receive that what is where do you live, and they all should say answer that where they live. Okay, so now we will go on the cat and we will take when I receive where do you live? Then what should it say, Sakina?
It should say in the jungle.
In the jungle. Okay. In I live in the jungle. Okay, so when we will click on this habitat, the bear will say I live in China, the cat will say I live in the jungle, and the crab will say that when I receive
When I receive
where do
where do
you
you
live?
live, it should say I live in the sea.
Okay, we will use the looks and we will go on the save log and we will say that I
Live
live
in the sea.
live in the sea. Okay, that's good. So now, when we click on this name button, all of the sprites will say their names. When we click on this habitat, all of these are saying that where they live. One is saying that I live in the sea. The bear is saying I live in China because our Mina told us that bear lives in China.
I don't really know where it lives.
Okay,
It was
no
in the jungle,
problem.
maybe.
I was just joking.
It does live
It's
in
okay.
jungle.
It's okay. We can say that. We can say that it's live in China.
Somebody
Okay.
stole it and put it in the wall.
So now we will, what does left that the cat button is left. So we will go on the cat button. We can write here, what we can write here, the food.
Yeah.
Okay, we can write here food. Okay, we can write here food. We can center its positions. Okay. So now what is the code in the food that when this sprite play broadcast, what do you eat? Okay, so when the cat will receive that what do you eat, it will say that I eat meat. So we will go on the bear because it is not responding yet. When I receive what do you eat? So what should we say? What does the bear eats?
Uh, it eats meat though.
It
Bones.
also it also meat.
Yeah.
Which meat?
Chicken.
I eat chicken. Okay, we can write that and we will go on the crab and we will
We will write
events.
I eat fish. I eat fish.
Do the crab eats fishes? I think yes, they eats fishes or insects. You can I eat fish. Okay.
Okay.
So now when we are clicking on this name, all of the sprites are saying their name. Okay. When we are clicking on this habitat, all the sprites are saying their habitat. And when we are clicking on this food, all the sprites are telling that what they eat. Okay.
Okay.
So do you both have any confusion or questions still yet?
Why would we?
Okay, Mina. Okay, so now I'm stop sharing my screen and